And I'm Radford, and today we're on the campus of High Point University for this week's Tech Review, brought to you by Apple. This week we have the Snap camera by Coby.
The Snap camera by Coby is perfect for the girl on the go.
Featuring a 1-inch screen for recording and playback, the Snap camera captures both still images and high-quality video. A face-mounted LED light provides brilliant illumination for any nighttime shot.
Snap's convenient SD card also allows for expanded storage.
The Snap has a built-in microphone for video and a built-in speaker for playback.
The included wrist strap is an added convenience.
The Snap camera features a simple user interface that allows you to easily navigate through your media.
Syncing your pictures and videos is a snap. It's a pop.
Use the USB cable or simply pop the SD card right into your computer.
I hope you enjoyed this review on the Snap camera by Coby. Next week we'll focus on the Apple TV brought to you by Mac. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Radford. Have a great night.